Okay, now let's look at the consolidation goal. I go to new goals and I'm going to pick up the consolidation one. I put in the name of my goal. So now I can look at my consolidation goal. So what this does is allows you to take any high interest debt that you might have and then consolidate it um, into a lower interest vehicle. So if I wanted to, say I wanted to consolidate the loan I have, this personal loan, actually I want to consolidate this Amex because it's a high interest. So let's just add only the Amex to this consolidation goal. And if I could consolidate this debt down to 10%, because I'm paying 22% on this Amex, and it's going to take me about 4.5, just almost 5 years to pay it off at the current rate I'm going. So what if I can consolidate this debt to something at a lower interest rate? I know it's about let's say it's about the same time. Let's say I want to use the same time frame. I'm going to go with 5 years. So here's the what happened if I was able to consolidate this debt. So here's my current situation, paying $230 a month. So this is how much interest I'm going to pay over the course of this loan, about $5,000. Now, if I was able to consolidate, my monthly payment drops down to only $172, and I pay less interest, half the interest, in the same amount of time frame. And then that frees up my cash flow. I now get $57 extra a month that I can then use towards other debts. And this just showed in a visual layout here the current payment versus the consolidated payment, and the current interest versus the consolidated interest. So this consolidation goal is really good for trying out different things and figuring out strategy to tackle a debt.